Here, it's hard to believe that we are saying goodbye. But even though we have time for everything, as a teacher says that everyone must say goodbye in the right time and with the right people together with you. I just want to say goodbye to my work life because I know that I have something more to do outside. And I welcome my retirement. I don't want to cry, but I said I will enjoy everything. But when I see those retired teachers, I'm so happy. My heart was really this morning when I came here. And I'm so, these are people that has been pillars of EP, a strong pillar of EP. But that's why I said that it has a time for everything. And I'm so grateful indeed, telling you, I'm so happy to see you. You are a great support to us. All the achievements that you have done, it's just an inspiration to us. And even those teachers now, just only a short time to be with me and to be with us, I'm so grateful indeed. You are my teachers. You are my advisors. You are a very good teacher's teacher. Toiting is a very good teacher. And if you can, the school can keep you, I tell you, something good is going to happen. In our EP program, because Teacher Toiting, I've seen just only a short time, she's a very good teacher. The way she managed the children, it's okay. Wow. And I want to say thank you for all the camaraderie. Thank you for all the memories that you have shared before. All of you retired teachers and even the new teachers. Thank you so much for being, even in a short time, I've seen how you really work hard. And each one of us, thank you for the achievement to Teacher Pon. Even though in a short time, you are a very good teacher. Everyone here, thank you for the laughter, for the memories that we have shared. Even though we cannot stay longer because we know that our time has come already. And I will cherish every moment. I will cherish every time that we have. I will not forget. Even Teacher Pine, thank you for all your help. Especially when I got an accident. She was so really worried about me, but thank you so much for that. And I know, I will embark a new chapter to welcome the new chapter of my life. New adventures I know that I'm going to experience. Because what I have experienced here, I can always share. That's the thing that you have told us, that it's not really we are a teacher. It's not really that, but we just shared our love, our support, our compassion to the children. That is one thing. We are not looking for the salary. The first time the teacher support told me how much I'm going to give you the salary, I said, Teacher Support, I don't want to talk about the money. I want to talk how I'm going to help the English program. The first time that he accepted me as a teacher, because with Teacher Siton together and Teacher Eric, when we started the mini English program, I said, do not talk about the money. But then, the blessing comes. I didn't expect that. But I thank you so much. That is a great memory. Also memories already. And it will not be erased in my heart. Anuban Chiang Mai is wonderful for me. The thing that I have been there, I've been called there to teach until now for almost 25 years of my life. I give myself to Anuban Chiang Mai because I know those people whom I work, they are very good supporters. And now even the new ones, I'm so thankful indeed that I experienced to be with you all. So this time, even my co-teachers, the Filipinos, thank you so much for the achievements. Thank you so much for the laughter, the companionship, Thank you so much. In spite of there are so many challenges in life, we have succeeded. Yeah. And thank you so much once again. So goodbye, but it's not really goodbye, but it is just only the beginning of a new chapter of my life. Once again, thank you so much for everything that you have given us. I will not forget all of these things. Bye-bye.